What do you think of the store?
Pretty nice. Got a lot of nudes.
These are the nudes. Let's see what we found so far.
There's a lot of dried spices, as you can see here.
No, in our bag.
Oh, in our bag. In our bag, we have an assortment of ramen noodles.
Okay, so I'm trying this out. It's supposed to be really spicy. Look at those chilies. And then
Ingredients.
Yeah, pho ingredients.
That's
This
not
oyster mushrooms, pho noodles, pho spices, these candies, lots of goodies. So we made it back and we have a present. Is expected to complete the pho soup. We ended up getting the soup base. It's kind of like a cheat way of getting that like deep pho taste, I guess. We've heard this brand is really good, so we're gonna try it out. This is actually an award I won at work. They send you like funny kits depending on like what area of the business like you've succeeded at, I guess. I forgot what it was because this was from last year. They shipped it a little bit late. Actually, I have no idea what this is. This can't be it. Pro hand sander. Sander?
I got a sander.
Why do I have a sander? What is this good for?
Making things smooth. You never know.
This is likely going to be donated to Goodwill.
Really?
Do you need it?
I don't know. Might send something.
Okay. Well, here's some other pho ingredients. This is like a spice seasoning mix, so it's all in one. It has like coriander seeds. What are some other ones? Cinnamon.
The car.
Star anise, like all those stuff that really goes in to make the broth. This is the jelly you guys saw earlier. And then I'm really excited for this one. I've never had this one. It has a really good rating. It's like the Untitled Ramen. But I think for tonight, we're just gonna finish cleaning up and then probably watch another episode of White Lotus. This is Boki. Say hello. The tiny cat. Cat 2, the chunky one. Are you guys best friends? So time to take my makeup off. I use like 3 makeup remover. So this one I'm almost out, but it's like the micellar water equivalent from Sephora. And then I use this Sephora makeup remover, which helps with like my mascara mainly because it's waterproof. And then in the shower, I will then go apply this all over my face. I think this helps break down the foundation further before I then actually go into my cleanser, because I wear foundation, sunscreen, moisturizer, and all of that before wearing my makeup. I just really try to make sure that all the makeup is off. Try to get everywhere that I got the foundation on, essentially. Keep the same cotton pad, which is fine. Try to like get some of the blue in there because it's separated. And then I just like to let it sit on there for a little bit. That's really it for the makeup removal. And then double down with this Bowery charcoal face wash.
I want you to know how I feel. Though I may say it, I just think that I might have to spell it out for you. So listen here. I want this all to be crystal.
Sing it.
Twisting around to believe in me, and you somehow trust in me. God, is changed.
Why are they so attracted to cleanly organized beds? Kato, is this your bed now? Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday morning. The weather looks beautiful from what we see. It's very bright outside. Yeah, and we're kicking off today's morning with some pho making. As you saw, we got some pho ingredients and got Hotpot last night. While Sam's gonna get that started, I'm gonna make coffee. Unfortunately, we just ran out of the instant coffee, which is like my go-to. So we'll just have to stick to our regular people coffee. Got all the spices together, and now we gotta toast them. Oh, this already smells like pho.
Really?
Mm-hmm. We ended up halving the recipe, so here are the contents of the spice bag. The next step is charring the ginger and the onions. And the broth from the beef bone is brewing. Let's go bother the cats. Here is one. Our snow queen. Hello. The little one. Hello. So we're taking the broth that was used to clean the beef bone.
Get all the impurities out.
Yeah. But this is really helping with like the bone cleaning process. It gets all the impurities out. We finished rinsing the beef bone, and we have the spice bag, the charred onions. So we're gonna essentially put this back into the pot with 7.5 cups of water and then boil until the broth is ready.
Just a tablespoon of salt and sugar.
Okay.
And then it'll be a tablespoon and a half of fish sauce. A little shake. Fish sauce. And then a little bit more. Get a bone knuckle in here.
This is so exciting.
Let's get another. Bring it to a boil, let it simmer for at least 3 hours. So we'll see y'all when we see y'all.
Time to retire these bad boys. Actually, this side isn't too bad, but they usually tear it apart. So just ordered a new one. It fits in like a puzzle piece. So we've been cooking it about for 2 hours now, and the broth is actually coming together. Probably gonna have to take the layer of oil collected at the top, but otherwise it's looking promising. It's still a little bit bland. And according to the recipe that we saw, you're supposed to season it to your own liking with more salt, sugar, and fish sauce. And this soup base actually happens to have all of them plus a little bit more, like beef fat and beef stock. So we're gonna go ahead and season it to taste using this. After that, I think what we need to do is cook the rice noodles, pour the broth on top. We're gonna have all the side stuff, jalapenos, bean sprouts, and the round steaks. It's currently 1:28 p.m. I think we're probably gonna eat a late lunch around 4 p.m. So yeah, I'll show you guys the final product.
We did a mud mask, as you can see. It helps cleanse the pores, keep that skin nice and tight. I'm telling the viewers about the mud mask.
So the cats are snoozing, so we're actually going to catch an episode of White Lotus. Just kidding, the cats are not snoozing. The cat has made her appearance. We're gonna have the shredded beef along with this thinly sliced round steak. We froze it so that it could slice thinner. So the noodles are ready, the thinly sliced meat, some other vegetable condiments, and the shredded beef.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying in with you. Play your favorite movie, laying right beside me. I don't mind when it's just us two. That corner coffee shop we like to go. Late night walks with you to take me home. With you I never feel.
This was our first time, but huge success. This looks amazing. Oh, there's nothing like a good bowl of
I've got my head in the clouds. 1, 2, 3. All that I need is your body next to me on rainy days.
So we're done cooking pho. It did take the whole day, but as long as you follow the step-by-step, I feel like it wasn't like super hard to follow. You just have to be around to make sure the broth is slow cooking properly. But we're just eating our mango Malona. It's not as quite as good as the normal Malona, but I don't know why I also call it Malona. It's Melona. I'm Korean. We're gonna wrap up the day by finishing up our episode of White Lotus. I think we're on episode 5 and the plot is finally thickening. And that marks the end of my first New York City vlog. I hope to do more of these. I feel like it's such a good way to capture memories. It didn't come naturally to set up cameras every time I did something, but hopefully it's something that I can look back on and something for you guys to enjoy as well. Thanks again for being here today and hope to catch you guys next time. Bye.
Lazy Sunday mornings, hiding under covers. I don't mind staying